Hello friends, my name is Rizal Fajar and today I will show you how to pick image from gallery and display it in your app using Jetpack Compose. So let's start with creating a new Compose activity in our project. Let's call it image gallery picker. And I will choose NoGet for the SDK. Okay, now let's delete the unneeded parts of our app. Let's just delete this, and create new composables. We will call it main app. This main app will be called from here. And now the next thing we got to do is to create the UI part. And it's a good practice to separate the UI code with your screen code. It's called hoisting, and I will explain it later. Okay, now let's just create a private composables. Just call it maybe main content, and it will have some parameters. One is for the image. Let's just call this selected image, and we will make this a label. Oh, I'm sorry. And an image click. It's a callback. Now let's just make our UI. And one rule that you should always remember, that the UI part should not contain any states. Any states and callbacks should be passed via parameters. So this UI part should not contain any states or handle any callbacks directly. Okay, so let's make the UI part. I'll just make scaffold, just make a column with a max size, fill max size, and apply the scaffold padding. Okay. And in here, if selected image is not null, we want to show an image. And so if you want to show an image from URI, or what is pronounced URI, you need Coil for this. It's an image loading library, a very popular one, and it's using Kotlin. First, open go.gradle for your app. Search Google for Coil Jetpack Compose, and it will show in the top. What you need to do is just copy this, add this to the Gradle, and sync. Now after it's done, we come back to main activity and type remember image painter. Okay, just pass selected image here. Give it some modifier, and maybe make it clickable. You can make it clickable too. On click, we will call the onImage click callback. Okay. Else, we want to show a button. Let's show an outline button. On click, we will pass on image click. Then in the button, we have text choose image. Okay, so to preview this, we need to create a preview composables. and call our theme and call the UI part, which is the main content. Okay. So the preview will be shown here. If we want to show how it looks like if an image is selected, we can create a new preview for that. Let's just call this preview selected. Theme and main content, but this time we pass on URI, an empty URI, but still it's not new, it's just empty. So the result will be different. Yes, and because this is empty, of course, it won't show anything for now. Looks like I forgot to center this column, so let's just do that. And it's fine now. Now for the main app part, we just need to, in this part we will call this main content. Okay, first we need to make a launcher. And for Jetpack Compose we have remember launcher for activity result. Okay, so on contract, and just activity result contracts .get content. We have lots of choice here, like open document, the contact, and this take picture for camera. All of these are already provided. You can just use them straight away. So when result is accounted, we can call it like this, and URI. Now we need to create a state for the selected image. I will call this selected image by member. Okay, go state of null. Sorry, and the tag will be URI. And we need to import. Okay. So on the activity result, we will change the selected image with the new URI. Okay. So we need to just call the main content here, pass the selected image, and on image click, we will call the launcher.launch, and since we just one image, we can pass image here as an input. So here is the result. We can click the button to open our gallery, and we can try to choose an image, and it will show up. You can click it to open the picker again, and you can change the image too. And we can change the subtype here to a file format. Let's try PNG. So if we change this to PNG, users can only choose a PNG image. So I hope this video is useful for you and you can learn something new. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and I will try to reply as soon as I can. And don't forget that you can always get the source code in the description. Thank you and have a good day.